This is a W140 RGB LED light that I got off eBay. This was priced around £25. The picture showed it as a Vijim RGB LED light, but I believe this is a copy of that. The light works just great, so I've kept it. I've also bought another one of these RGB LED lights which says Vijim on it, which we'll have a look at also. So you get the cold tube 1/4 inch thread and a Type-C to USB charger. Now I'll quickly show you the manual. This light didn't come with the diffuser, but the second light we'll look at did come with it. This has a colour temperature of 2500 to 9000 K. The power is 5 watts, with a working voltage of 3.7 volts, with a battery capacity of 31,000 milliamps. Charges with the Type-C to USB charger. The charging time is around 2.5 hours. These lights are easy to take with you in your camera bag wherever you go. I find I use these lights most times when filming, whilst keeping one of the lights on the camera. Here you can slide out this plastic piece to use the cold shoe, or you have the option of using the 1/4 inch thread on the side or on the bottom. I tend to keep one of these lights on my camera and the second light on a little stand. Now we'll have a look at turning the light on and going through some of the options. When I first turn the light on, I have an option of a bright white light, which you can adjust to go more of a warm orange if you like, or you can drop down and change the brightness. Here I'll show you when you adjust to more of that warm orange light. This option you can change through all the colours, and you can also change the brightness of those colours. The circular wheel you can just hold up, which will change through all the colours, or when selected in party mode the lights will flick through themselves. Now we'll have a flick through all the other light options you have. Now we'll mount the cold shoe to the light if you want to use this option. This cold shoe to 1/4 inch thread is included. Or you have the option to use the 1/4 inch thread at the bottom of the light. This is what I use to mount to my camera. When charging the light you can use the USB to Type-C charger, plug it into the light and you'll see on the display screen the charging battery indicator. Now we're going to have a look at using this light in a couple of places and see what kind of effect and the brightness this light has. I'll leave links in the description below for you to check these RGB lights out. If you subscribe to the channel it will be much appreciated. There'll be lots more gear coming from me, and welcome to the channel. So we're going to test out the colours and the different brightness, and then we're going to take a look at the second light that we have, which is similar but also has a diffuser. Now we're going to take a look at the second light. This is the Vijim Vl120 RGB light, very similar to the other one, which is a 3100 milliamp battery, which is also a 3.7 volt. This battery comes with the diffuser, which softens the light, which also includes the cold shoe mount. The diffuser can be easily removed, which I like to use this light most of the time on my camera as it has a softer light on the subjects because of using the diffuser. We're going to have a look at using this light and getting some photos. Thanks for watching. I'll leave links in the description below. Remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll much appreciate it. Welcome to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.